Hello friends, today we are going to study about hysteresis curve. First of all, we have to know that what is hysteresis curve. So, when an unmagnetizing material placed in a magnetic field, then relation between intensity of magnetization and magnetic field is known as hysteresis curve. In other words, we can say that the curve between intensity of magnetization and magnetic field is known as hysteresis curve. So now, when we increases the magnetic field, then intensity of magnetization also increases, but at a certain point, this point is a, at a certain point intensity of magnetization become constant. This point is known as saturation point. This point is saturation point. After that, when we decreases the magnetic field in reverse direction, then intensity of magnetization also decreases, but at a certain point magnetic field becomes zero. As shown in figure, magnetic field becomes zero, but there is some value of intensity of magnetization. This value is known as retentivity. This value is retentivity. After that, when we decreases intensity of magnetization in reverse direction, then magnetic field also decreases in reverse direction, but at a certain point intensity of magnetization becomes zero, but there is some value of magnetic field. This value is known as coercivity. This value is coercivity. After that, when we increases the magnetic field in reverse direction, then intensity of magnetization also increases in reverse direction, but at a certain point intensity of magnetization become constant. In this point D, this point is known as saturation point. Like A, it is also saturation point. This is saturation point. To complete this graph, we have draw a line from D to A. This graph is known as hysteresis curve. This total graph is hysteresis curve. This is retentivity, A is saturation point, and this is coercivity. We can suppose that it is O. C to O, it is coercivity, B to O, it is retentivity, and A is saturation point. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.